So this is what I got all the way through the suspension, and right there. Okay. How are we gonna put the camera in there? Yes. Awesome. awesome. Okay, so this is a review of the Milwaukee right angle impact wrench. And before you watch the video, just want to make some points. If you've been looking for a really small impact cordless that will fit into tight spots, this is definitely the model to go with. It really does fit into those spots. You cannot put a stubby or any other cordless impact. And I know people have been wishing for one of these forever, just to get it into those certain spots on the car or truck or wherever, and it will definitely fit there because it is quite small in this gear case. You know, width wise and length, it is just, it's tiny. It doesn't look like that on video because you can see it looks quite large, but when I was trying it out, the length here, the height, didn't seem to be a big issue. Okay, so it does fit in all those spots you've probably been wishing to get an impact into. The real issue is, as you'll see in the video, it does seem a little bit underpowered, and I wish it did have 60 more or 100 foot-pounds more, and it would be perfect, but it does seem a little bit underpowered, and that is unfortunate because this is a really nice specialty tool to get you out of those tight situations. So that is unfortunate. Now, one thing I wanted to say is I did point out in the unboxing video this light. There's clearly an issue where it is just not lit properly, like the stubby impact. And in daylight, you cannot see anything on here. You can't tell if it's 1, 2, or 3. So there, something happened here with quality control. It's not the same as the stubby. The other issue is, as with all Milwaukee tools, I don't understand why they continue to put these useless dim LED lights on here that are so old. This is like the same LED they're using on like the original impact, and it won't light past 2 feet. If you look at a DeWalt DCF 899, the single LED on that impact will light up a whole forest. Why they continue to put these dim LEDs, I don't understand. Because I work outdoors, sometimes in the dark, under a car, and this is useless. So I wish they would change that. Other than that, the build quality seems really good. I did look up the parts diagrams because I bought this 3/8 and I'm hating it. I'm not a fan of 3/8. I don't know why I bought 3/8. I really want to change it out to a 1/2 inch. So I was looking up if I could just buy the anvil. And let me bring up these 2 diagrams here. And you can see, not only can you not buy the anvil, you cannot buy any parts in this gear case. You have to change the whole head. So I don't think this is serviceable because they don't have any parts for it as of now. So if I wanted to change this out to a 1/2 inch drive, I have to change the whole gear case. Okay, I have to change this whole piece here. So if I do that, I will definitely put up a video. Looking at the parts list, it seems everything else is the same in the tool. The motor, the electronics. The only difference is the gear case. There is a part number for the hog ring and the friction ring, and that's about it. So yeah, That's it. That's a Milwaukee right angle impact wrench. Seems like a good buy. And that's it.